Perfect.
Good morning, guys. How are we? Good morning. Good morning. He's just whimpering because Alfredo just walked out, so now he's just like super needy. And yeah, what happened? You're good, my boy. You're good. So our original plans were to go to Disneyland, but we went on Friday. But the only thing was that we went during the nighttime, and although it's super nice and festive looking at night, I just wanted to be there. I wanted to try going once more during the daytime, and that was a plan for today. But I woke up at 4 in the morning because I heard this guy right here munching on something, and it was one of our shoe soles, like the soles from our shoes. So I was like, wow. And since then I couldn't go back to sleep. So yes, I've been up since 4 with this guy. He kind of shredded this down sole, so I had to pick that up, and then I just ended up just watching vlogs and YouTube videos for about like an hour or so, and then I was like, you know what, might as well just get up because I'm not gonna go back to sleep. And I got ready, and then Alfredo finally woke up, and I was like, as I was getting ready, I was debating if we should go to Disneyland, but then I was like, you know what, let's just do something different today and go out, have breakfast, or just lunch. Well, it's still early. Never mind. I'm over here thinking maybe it's later. It's 9 o'clock. So we might just go grab breakfast. I have a few coupons for Corner Bakery, so I think we're going to take advantage of those. Go to Corner Bakery, and then we want to take the dog to like an open field just so we can play around with him, let him roam free. And I think that's about it because it's super windy and my allergies are kicking in. I thought I was sick last night. I keep going back and forth on whether I'm sick or it's my allergies, but I think because of the winds, it is my allergies. So I just sound like super clogged. So Alfredo's coming, and now we're gonna go to Corner Bakery.